We're about to get real intimate. Couch potato gators. Shea's favorite subject.
Yes.
This is our 17th date. You gotta cut that. I can't.
Merry Christmas, everyone. We're back with our annual gift guide for guys video featuring my husband, Josh.
Every year, it gets harder and harder to find good gifts. It's like almost impossible, I feel like, anymore. But we've put together 24 great gifts for any guy in your life. Your dad, your husband, your boyfriend, anybody.
And we'll have everything linked down below in the description box and also pinned in the top comment.
Okay, up first, we're starting with this 3-pack of long sleeve shirts. I put this first because it's gonna work for every single guy in your life.
Yes.
They are incredibly comfortable. They're all cotton. They come in a bunch of different color styles. And the best thing about them is they fit phenomenal. They fit so well. They're well fitted around the waist. They're plenty long enough. They just round out the shoulders well. They are fantastic.
He's wearing one right now. And again, it's a 3-pack and you can pick whatever color combo you guys like. Okay, I thought this should go next. This is a jacket by Legendary Whitetails. It's a brand on Amazon that you absolutely love.
Yeah, great quality. I don't have a jacket. I have a bunch of hoodies, so I thought I would try this.
It's very, very warm. Tons of colors and sizes. There's also tall sizes. So he's 6'5", guys.
Little tall.
Yeah, this looks amazing on him. This is a really interesting design in that you can remove this hood. It's kind of like a dual zipper. So the hood looks really nice, but if you want to take that out, it turns into just kind of a more minimalistic jacket. It looks great. It's super warm, and I feel like so many guys would love it.
You're gonna want to pay attention to this one because it's one of my favorites. It's this mini electric screwdriver, and I can almost guarantee that your guy does not have one of these. It also comes with 50 bits that are magnetic to this little case, which is super compact. It would take a ton of space if you're carrying around like a regular work bag. It has a little light on the end, so you can actually see in the hard to reach places, and obviously it does the work for you since it's electric, and it has a high and low mode as well, and rechargeable.
Okay, so this is a jump start kit, and it's a huge bestseller. Guys will love this, and they will actually use it. You keep it in the back of your trunk or somewhere in your vehicle, and it does so much.
Anytime you have a dead battery or you find someone with a dead battery, you can literally hook this up to the front of their car, on their battery obviously, and it starts their car for them. Or you could charge like your own devices if you have like an emergency situation.
It has a light.
Yeah, huge light. This is an updated version.
Yeah, it's just a good thing that really everybody should have in their vehicle, man or woman, but guys definitely love it.
All right, babe, I'm off to the gym. Okay, we're going to the gym, and this is the new gym bag for this year. It is great. I don't have a good gym bag. The one I have is like ratty and old, and this is perfect. There's so many online that are just like weird and like old man-like.
Yes.
This is not them. This is cool, hip. It's actually huge, like for a good guy gym bag size, but it's not overly big.
It doesn't just be a gym bag. Like it could be like a duffel bag, weekender.
Oh, yeah.
And the style's really nice. The zippers are nice.
Tons
Lots
of compartments.
Yeah. A lot of times when we put bags like this in our gift guides, it's like leather, and those are nice, but we wanted like a sporty vibe this year.
If your guy is into golf, he needs one of these. It's a golf shoe bag. I play a lot of golf, even though I suck somehow. But your shoes get super nasty, grimy. The grass is stuck on there. It's muddy. It literally gets all over my truck. I'm not a neat freak, but like I hate cleaning up after my golf shoes. So I decided to get this, and now my golf shoes are in here.
What I like, or I think is cool, is that you can fit different golf supplies like balls and tees. You have big feet.
I do.
But they still fit in here. Speaking of feet, I actually found these.
Shea's favorite subject.
Yes. I hate feet, okay? And these are called hot feet, so your feet are gonna get all toasty in there, and this is definitely not for every guy. This is for the men out there that maybe work construction, they're outside hunting, or things like that where they're cold and they wanna be warmer. If you notice these socks, they are super, what is this?
It's like a wool interior. It's really nice.
It's so soft. What?
Oh, I. Oh, I.
Yeah, I don't know what that was, but anyway, good socks.
We're about to get real intimate. These are my underwear. These are the best underwear that I found anywhere. Regular stores, online, they're great. They are at multiple different lengths depending on what you like, but they really have the best combination of like, they're comfortable, they're not too tight around the waistband, and they just...
And there's a pocket in the front.
They're good. You know what I mean? They work good.
I don't know, but I feel like I do. I mean, I don't.
Yes, no. What?
So I recently got a comment from somebody saying that your gift ideas are always too outdoorsy. Don't worry, we have those gifts coming up later, but she wanted something for couch potatoes and nerds.
So we found this controller stand, which I don't know why we didn't buy sooner because the controllers are laying all over our house.
It's
Couch,
the kid's fault.
Floor. Anyways, now it puts them all in one place. It holds 6 in total. It lights up. It charges the controller.
It just looks good.
Looks great.
So for all of those nerdy couch potato...
couch potato gators. This is our 17th date. No. If you like meat. No. What is it? What is it? It's beef jerky.
Yeah, it's a set for men.
There's little tiny wieners in there. You gotta cut that. I can't.
No, we can keep it?
It is. It has tiny meats in there. There is also one cheese. I don't know why that's funny. There's a one cheese in there.
There's a one cheese.
I would not recommend eating the cheese, but everything else in there is great if you like beef jerky.
Let us compose ourselves.
We need to come back
This is serious.
This is serious. Very serious subject. It's tools. Every guy needs one of these. It is a rollout tool organizer. Whether you're doing like a project in your house, you don't want to carry a huge toolbox around, or you're like in your car and you want just a few tools to carry with you on the go.
This is compact.
It's
it
great.
holds so much.
It actually holds way more than you would think. And like I said, it is compact, fits anywhere, or you can just carry it around. Every guy needs it. Okay, this next thing's a little bit weird, but it's a really good gift idea. It's an endoscopic camera.
Not for butts.
Plug it into your phone, the camera on the end with a light, and if you're working in an area that's hard to see, whether you're working on your car, or maybe like in plumbing or behind a wall, it'll show you what you're looking at on your phone. I've had probably so many projects over the years that I could have used this and I just didn't have it. So
I feel like a lot of guys don't have anything like this. Okay, now this, I found myself, and I'm proud of it. You were very skeptical about this.
I was like, there's no way.
But these are night vision binoculars, and they work so well. So you actually don't look through them like this. This is where the camera is. You point that in the dark, like the pitch black, and then there is a screen right here, like a 4K quality screen.
4K.
And you can see everything in the dark. It's like surprising.
Whether you're like camping or you're like outdoor wildlife observation, I know some people are really into that, or you have like weird situations around your house, it'll just show you whatever you're looking at. And I think a lot of people think night vision is like crazy expensive. These are like very reasonable for what you're getting.
Now speaking of camping, we are in fact moving into the outdoorsy section. This is a Sawyer water filter, meaning it will filter out all of the bad bacteria, like 99.99999% of all bacteria from any water source. So this would be great for camping. It would be great to just have on hand if there's an emergency and you have dirty water. You just attach this to a bottle, or really there's a lot of ways to use it, but it's like $14. And I feel like a lot of guys should just kind of always have this on hand.
For sure. Okay, this next one might seem kind of extreme, but it's really not. It is a good source of information that a lot of guys are going to love. It is a survival guide. Yes. So we've all gotten so accustomed to just getting on the internet and searching for whatever we need to figure out. But if the internet's out because of a natural disaster, you're not gonna be able to do that. So this is a great resource to have, and every guy probably should have this. It's gonna have things like gardening and first aid and medicine and how to make tools or how to work on a vehicle. The list goes on and on.
Yeah, it's huge. There's
huge
so much
resources.
information in this. I really, really think a lot of guys don't have this, but would love getting it. Now, this book is not nearly as catastrophic. This is a tell me your life story, Dad. And there's also versions for your mom or a grandmother, but I love this idea for a dad because you gift it to them and then they can fill out all of the questions and subjects, and it just asks them things that you probably haven't ever asked them. And then once they fill it all out, it might take them some time, but they can gift it back to you, and then you have a very treasured keepsake. Now, I also picked out this gift idea because it's a wallet. It's actually more of just a card holder wallet, so it will slip into your back pocket and be very slim, but this has an interesting feature. And just by the way, wallets are always a good gift for any guy. The price on this is great. This has a pull tab function where it lifts up the card so you can easily grab it. It's gonna hold quite a lot, and of course there's tons of colors.
If your guy likes to cook or loves a good steak, then he absolutely needs a cast iron skillet, and this is the best one on Amazon.
Yeah, it has like 121,000 positive 5-star reviews. There's tons of sizes.
It's seasoned, so you don't have to worry about doing anything to it, and it's gonna produce the absolute best flavor because the way cast iron works, it heats so evenly, whether you're making steaks, chicken, any kind of vegetables, it's gonna produce so much flavor. I mean, honestly, like butter and anything you put in here, it's just phenomenal.
We decided to add this next because it is a cooking thermometer, perfect for meat and fish, and it would be a great stocking stuffer. This is so inexpensive, but you use it all the time.
This is one of the gifts that I got a long time ago that I never thought I would use, and I use it every time I make any food now, meat or fish. It's just so much easier not to think about, is it done enough, is it not enough? You stick it in and it tells you right away. Okay, this is for any guy that's a little more active, or someone like me that is like a hobbled little gimp that have all these injuries everywhere. I'm always looking for like massaging and like warming things, and this is honestly one of the only things I found that I really liked. It was like a small compact thing. I have other larger things, but this is great. It is a massaging, heat, and vibration pack. So you just stick this rechargeable thing onto the actual pad, you peel the backing, put it anywhere on your body, and it'll massage and heat that area. Oh, it feels amazing. It feels so nice. It actually comes with 3 of these, so you can have a whole bunch of extras if you need.
Or do it in different spots.
Yeah, different spots.
In your body. Very nice. Now this is kind of similar, but yet very different. So this is the Revo cupping device. And it's again for sore muscles, knots on your body, tension. And you really like this.
I love this thing.
It's so cool. And usually if you want cupping done, you have to pay to go have it done somewhere. But now you can do it at home. So you just put it on your shoulder, like you do it on your shoulders.
Shoulders, my back, anywhere that really has like a big targeted area. You just stick this thing on.
Yeah, and so you hit the button. It sucks up your skin. It brings like all the blood flow to that area to promote healing. There's also heat with this. There's also red light therapy. So there's so many things, but you definitely want to start out slow, maybe like 4 or 5 minutes the first time, and then work up to 15 to 20 minutes every day in any area that's bothering you. After that's over, you hit the button, it will release, and it will leave a mark on the skin. That is completely normal, and you'll start to feel better and better.
Okay, so I made a small mistake. And by that, I mean I bought size small shorts, and I was considering cutting them from the video, but then I convinced Shea that I could still fit into them somehow. She like, I know, I did fit into them.
And we like them.
I love the shorts. So they're very lightweight.
But you won't wear the smalls, will you?
No, I'll get a real size after this video. They are great because they're lightweight, they have zippered pockets, they're very breathable. So whether you're doing like hiking or you're at the gym, you have zippered pockets so you can keep your keys in there. Oh yeah, quick dry. They have a bunch of different lengths and tons of colors, like everything.
Josh hates this gift idea. I don't even care. I think there's a lot of guys out there that might like it. It is a toiletry bag that, yes, it hangs. You see everything. It's so cool. And it's like the man version of it. You know what I mean? But Josh thinks that most guys probably wouldn't have this much stuff. But no, there's guys that take shampoo, conditioner, razors, deodorant, toothbrush, toothpaste. I mean, you can see everything. There's that little like hooky thing. You can hang it on the back of a door if you're traveling, like on in the hotel. I mean, and then it just folds right up. Guys would like this.
I can almost guarantee you every guy in your life is using wireless headphones or wireless earbuds, and you need to get them back on wired. I know it seems like they might be going backwards, but trust me, the EMF radiation from the wireless is so bad, and it's like right by your brain.
Yeah, we have an EF meter, so we can actually test it, and it's just really bad. So this is what you actually discovered like 5 years ago, and then got me hooked on them. So when you open this box, there's actually custom ear fittings so that these will fit into your ears perfectly. And then the best part, the sound quality is just off the charts. It's so good.
We did it. I made it to the end.
My clothes are falling off. That took way longer than you guys realized, but everything will be linked down below in the description box and pinned in the top comment. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.
Thanks for being here.
Whew, we did it.
We'll see you next year. I'll see you like the next video. Bye.
Bye.